I do apologize. I got cut off, so this is part two, and I will revisit the last statement I made. So, families had to rely on each other as their moves were frequent and the jobs demanded the men were gone. This created a division to not immerse themselves into the local community, which created a barrier. They didn't want to know anybody in the community because I think there was almost a fear immersion, then they may have to turn on their neighbors, or they felt better isolating themselves and protecting their own communities if there were, for instance, people that knew who they were and what they did. Maybe there was some sort of fear there. The apprehensions would double from the year 1943 to 1945 due to the additional resources they had and now additional officers that were added to the force. So the last page introduces you to chapter 66. That will be someone else's presentation. And it just says that chapter 6 digs deeper into the changes in the mechanics of migration control and the U.S.-Mexico borderlands by examining how the U.S. Border Patrol built upon the opportunities provided by the Bracero program to gain greater control over the unsanctioned border crossings of Mexican nationals. In particular, Chapter 6 tells the story of how the officers of the United States Border Patrol work closely with Mexican officers south of the Border Patrol. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. I hope this helps.